Hello there everybody, my name is BDF018 and welcome back to another LEGO Technic build. Today the 2-in-2-in-1 for 42117's race plane, the jet airplane, a very nice looking set. I've only got one of these, so we're going to be rebuilding the original race plane today. I do like it, I'm looking forward to building it. So here is today's focus, the jet airplane, the 2-in-2-in-1 for 42117. We built this last week. If you want to see all the content to me open the box, do check out last week's video, link in the description. And here is today's build on the back, the jet airplane. There's a 154 piece set over 60 steps, so 5 more steps than last week's build. This is today, so divide 154 by 60, you get roughly 2.5 pieces on average per section for this build. It looks pretty good. I'm looking forward to building it. I've got all the pieces to my left. Let's go straight into today's build, the jet airplane 42117. Enjoy. And here's the full and complete build for LEGO product 42117 race planes 2-in-1, the jet airplane. And I prefer this. This is a lot better than the race plane in my opinion. It looks so cool and there's only 4 less pieces than the actual set. I'm gonna keep it this way. Look, you can move it by spinning this propeller here. It's actually really quite cool. Look, I'm not even, look at that. This is really sick. It's a really easy build. Took about 15-20 minutes. And in my opinion, looks better than the actual race plane. I really like this. This is really sick. Little system in place here, couple cogs here, couple cogs here, 4 cog systems to make the tires and wheels work. Happy days. I'm really happy with this. I'm gonna put these 4 pieces here back in the box. I'm going to keep it as the jet airplane because I really do like this. So another set complete. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below about this build. What do you think about it? Make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new. Would you buy and or build this set? Is this on your wish list? Is this for you? Is this not? Let me know because Billy's a curious boy. With that said, I've been BDF018. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next build. Take care.